go on this date. I really like Luigi. What if I say something stupid with my big stupid mouth of mine?
Relax, dear. Just try to be calm, and it should go all well. By the way, what were you planning to wear? Because I thought it'd be fun to go through your dresses and maybe do like a runway model thing.
What the fuck?
I didn't even think of that! God, what am I going to wear?
Calm down, dear. It's okay. I think you should wear something simple, but stands out.
Oh yeah!
So, you think this might be too much then?
I think Luigi's going to have a heart attack if he sees you in that.